Today's helpful how-to video will be replacing your fuel tank selector switch, which is on this side. No, hang on that side. What in the world am I doing? It's somewhere in this area. Oh, there it is. So, we got this fuel tank selector switch. It still works. I thought it was broke, and it turns out it was actually the mounting points on this bezel that was broke. Now, to change this, you will need to remove your bezel. You will need to remove this part. That's 3 screws under this. This comes off, and there's some bolts and clips holds these on. Mine was done busted and just sitting on, so that's how come mine's off. But that's a simple video. I might make one when I get a new bezel on how to put it on and take it off. But you got to remove that. Now it's done removed. This is the new Dorman fuel tank selector switch, in case you need the part number. And it's basically the same identical thing as what we got. Let's go ahead and open it. It just got better fuel and stuff. It ain't wore off. It looks a whole lot better, and it's actually feels like it works a whole lot smoother. Now, to install this, you want to remove your plug. You just lift up on this and pull out. Looks like the switch is actually not only different up here, but a mounting hose is not exactly the same. This is a little shorter. This is identical, looks like, down there, but the top is shorter. Now, once you pretty much pop that cover off, this is what you got. As you can see, ours is missing the cutout, and the cutout went just like so, and it's missing it. So we are going to replace this on that one. So that is not as simple as I thought it would be. Those are actually different. So what I'm going to do, this is actually fits in place if you notch it. This Dorman switch here. I'm going to take a quarter, put down behind this contact, heat this soldering iron up, and notch this so it don't put stress. And notch this so it don't put stress on the case. And as you can see, it's got a place here we can notch. So I put a notch in it with the soldering iron, just a little, and it should work out perfect. It'll be able to slide down in that and not put pressure on this, because you can force it to go, and it looks like everything lines up pretty decent. So if it works out good, I'm going to keep it and use it, because the OEM's like $30 for this. This one's like $15. So this is the new switch. As you can see, I cleaned it all up and notched it. It actually pretty well looks factory. Guess that works out pretty good. Now, time to install it and test it out. After some research, this one is working good. What I did was take the old tunnels and stuff, cleaned them up, greased them up, and switched bodies. This is actually the old switch that's wore off and stuff. Pretty simple. It just slides right out. Doesn't hold it on. You just put it on that shaft, and then this clips on top of it. So, simple fix, and ready to go. I notched this, and it still didn't work right. I don't know if my wiring harness is different or what it was, but if you buy one of these switches, buy a motorcraft. Good thing we just wanted a, prettier looking switch for it. So we got a switch we fixed. Yep, I have no idea why that is, but if you come across this issue, well, now you can fix it. And now make sure all your connections is good and tight in here too. You don't want none of these guys pulling out. All the pins is great in this one. So I'm going to go ahead now and install it, and it just plugs in, guys. Oh, look at all, it fits too. Oh my god, just like factory. And now you can reinstall your bezel. It's late. I've been aggravated enough with this today. I'm going to close the door and go in. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button. If it was any bit helpful, let me know in the comment section, because if you come across that and you looking for info on that, hopefully it fixes you up. Thank you for watching.